Our puzzle pieces are gone. Oh, hi there. Look, friends, it's a frog. And this is an elephant. A duck. A hippo. A bear. And a lion. Here's a baby lion. Wow, we've got the pieces for the first puzzle. Let's put it together. A lion. This is baby duck. A little frog and a cub. Here's a baby hippo and a baby elephant. Magic! We can put together our second puzzle. An elephant. Next, do you know this animal? It's a rabbit. What does it eat? Carrot. Correct. And what animal is this? A squirrel. It likes to eat nuts. Here is one nut. You know this guy for sure. It's a bear. He really likes to munch on raspberries. Yay! It's our reward! The third puzzle is coming through! It's a bear! Well done, everyone!